welcome to part 2 of the vlog. As I've said before, this is not a detailed, it's just a rebuild log really. It's just so that the bike's got some history, but I've had to split it into 2 because it's just gone so far. So here's a new engine ready to go in, and it is pretty much a new engine, and here's the bike ready to receive it. You might have noticed that the bike has changed colour again. We did have the lovely black and red classic bodywork on. It now seems to be reverted back to grey, and the reason why that is that we've fitted that bodywork to a different bike. So that bodywork came out so real nice that my daughter's stolen that bodywork and she's fitted it to her bike. So I'm afraid bike 4 has gone back to grey. So it is what it is. We'll see anyway. So let's get this finished off. Okay, so I think we'll call it there. This bike's done. Little just tune up to the tick over there, and little tune up. You can see the engine's just running really well now. Everything's great. Probably a few little other jobs to do, but I'm just going to call it there. I think this bike is finished. I'm very happy with it. That's another ZSB on the road.